Hello, today I will give you information about Crowdstrike Competitors. Although Crowdstrike has a great impact in the field of cybersecurity, there are many competitors in the sector. These competitors are trying to stand out in the fight against cyber threats by offering similar security solutions. Many competitors are developing powerful solutions in endpoint security and threat intelligence. These companies are increasing their ability to detect and preempt potential threats, usually by using cloud-based platforms and advanced artificial intelligence. They also offer high-performance analysis tools and data security solutions to become market leaders. In such highly competitive sector, each company is trying to stand out by offering different features and advantages. This increases innovation in the sector and ensures the continuous development of security solutions. CrowdStrike and its competitors continue to provide digital security for companies and individuals around the world.